Hi and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be cooking spinach leaves with peppers. I'll be showing you how I'll be cooking this spinach with peppers. It's a very easy vegetable to make and you'll love it when you make it in your home. I am going to start by prepping my spinach. I have 2 batches of spinach right here. I'm going to start by cutting the stems. I will also be removing the remaining stems that are in the leaves. I prefer to use leaves without any stem in it. Other people might prefer to just leave the remaining stems in, but mine, I remove everything. When I'm removing the remaining stems in the leaves, I always check for any insect that might be trapped inside the leaves. As you know, vegetables carry a lot of dirt and also insects, so it's good to always check. After this step, I'll be washing my spinach leaves under running water to make sure that they are thoroughly washed and they are clean before I proceed to cut them. I am done removing every stem from my spinach leaves. I am now washing them under running water to ensure that they are clean before I cut them. Just do me a favor and go ahead and like for me this video. It's free to do that. You just like it and that's it. Now our spinach leaves are clean. We are going to cut them in preparation for cooking. I'll be using these peppers. I have red peppers and a green one. I also have 1 large onion and 3 cloves of garlic that I will be chopping finely, as you will see in this video. I will be heating my oil at a medium heat so that my onions and garlic don't burn, as I'll be showing you in this video. I will fry my onions until they are crispy, then I will add salt to taste. After my onions are crispy, I'm going in with my chopped garlic and I will fry it just for like a minute because garlic cooks faster, and that's it. I will now go in with my chopped peppers as I showed you when I was chopping them. Then I'll fry just for like a minute. And the time to add my spinach leaves to my peppers, it's here. So I'm going to fry this spinach for just 4 or 5 minutes. As we all know, vegetables cook very fast, so you don't need to cook them for long. I served my vegetables with some rice. You can serve them with anything that you want. Just as you can see on the screen, those greens were tasting really nice. If you have not tried this combination of peppers and spinach leaves, go ahead and try and let me know in the comment section. Kindly show my video some love by just liking this video, and I will appreciate your kindness when you do that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. You'll be notified when I put up a new video. And that's all for today, and I will see you soon. Bye.